pretend. You really ought to worry, because my skin is furry. And to compound the error, when we're in bed together, I just lean over and you say, get down, Rover. This is a problem, baby. Perhaps I'm going crazy. When you're on the phone, I'm always burying my bone. God, baby, when you're with me, I bark like a dog. Baby, when you're with me, I bark like a dog. I find I'm hating postmen, also the neighbor's cats. My sense of smell's improving, my hearing's like a bat's. I get a cold nose when I'm holding you. My breath's so smelly, baby, it's just like doggy juice. It's just baby, why all this laughter, baby? Very disconcerting, cause I'm weeing on the skirting. When I'm with me, I bark like a dog. I hope it's not catching, baby. When you're with me, I bark like a dog. I'm always scratching. I wanna fix your lips. I wanna lick your nose. I wanna chew the carpet. I don't like wearing clothes. One thing is happening, baby, that makes me quite afraid. Last week I saw the vet. I think you had me sprayed. Baby, when you're with me, I bark like a dog. I'm on my knees. When you're with me, I bark like a dog. I think I got fleas. When you're with me, I bark like a dog. Rough. Enjoy yourself.